What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this. Never thought I actually needed one of these until I found out that birds like a certain plant that I plant down. And it's actually my favorite plant. So right here, this little bush right here, I have about 4 of them. Like I said, it's my favorite one. Have one here, and they already tore it up. As you can see, the birds chew on this thing. And as a matter of fact, so this is what it's called. Full sun, 6+ hours of sunlight. You see they attacked this one too. So you see the bite marks on my plant, but the cool thing is you see how it holds water. I think that's pretty cool, you guys. So the birds actually come and drink the water from there. And I want to protect it. Has a tear right here. Now I believe this is 4. Never used this before, you guys. We should have 4 of these things. It does have a zipper on it. Here it goes. The zipper is right here. All right, zipped it down. Now we zip it back up, and now it's open, and I'm going to wrap it around. Oh, I see. So if you have sticks, in which I have sticks, you could get these little wood dowels from anywhere, basically. Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, any craft store, you could get wood dowels. I think if I cut the sticks some more, it will be good. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put a stick on this corner since it's closed now. Ah, that's better. And then I could put a stick on that corner. Okay, it worked out pretty good. Let me go to this side. All right, you guys. So the key is to wrap it around your plant. That's the key. But let's get this up through here. So I got 2 sticks in here so far, you guys. I think that's all I probably. And yep, maybe I should have came in from the other side. But all right, good to go. Good to go. I'm liking it. Pretty cool, you guys. Now we're going to see if it defends from the birds, because I don't know if the birds could peck right through the net. Not sure about that one yet. I actually could have put a longer stick in here. Now I want to see how this thing grows inside of the net. I might put 2 more sticks in here, you guys, or longer. I might get some longer ones, but for right now, this will do. And we'll see how it grows out after the fact. But that's it, you guys. This thing's supposed to defend against squirrels, birds, insects. It says fruit. I don't know why I say fruit on there, but oh, I guess that's what you should put it around. Fruit, tomatoes, vegetables, hornets, poultry, and flowers, berries. You could put it around your tomato garden and all of that. So this is pretty cool. Not bad. All right, everyone. So we had some good rain out here, and I have to say that this thing is amazing. I had no bird action over here, you guys. No more birds. I left the camera out. I didn't get no footage of any birds trying to come and at least try to attempt to get to it. And look, we even have an ant. The ant can't even get in there, you guys. Well, they probably can. They just have to go all the way on the bottom. But yeah, and actually it's coming out pretty nice now. It's not, you can see where the chewed up part's at, and you can see where the new growth is coming. This one I have to get the wood for it, but you know, I have it on top so it just don't get damaged. That's it. But other than that, it's doing good. I could pull the string a little bit more to tighten it on the bottom, but I could leave it like that for now until I get some more wood dowels like this, and maybe a little bit longer, that way it come all the way up. And yeah,